Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know how authentic is the Game USA outlet portal? Like you are interested to find out the detail, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to know about the legitimacy of this portal. Basically, the shop sells gaming console in United States. Like in here, buyers can purchase Sony PlayStations, Nintendo Switch, and Microsoft Xbox. Means all the latest models of game consoles are available at unbelievable prices. For example, you can obtain the newest model of PlayStation 5 console at very reasonable price of 429.99 US dollar, where its actual cost is about 629.97 US dollar. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTPS secured website. They have not shared their physical detail and address. No customer number have been shared. The email address that they shared is not matching their domain name and it can be a red alert. As far as its cancellation policy is concerned, as the shipping is complete in a short time, cancellation is ready to be requested as soon as possible. No fixed cost has been disclosed for shipping. For return, they have 30 days. Like you can return the product within 30 days. They have multiple payment method like PayPal, debit card, credit card like Visa, Max Discover, etc. Exchange is available, but a restocking charge of about 20 US dollars is applicable. As far as its return is concerned and refund is concerned, the credit is done within a week. Let's check out the positive point of Games USA outlet store. The reviews are available on the website. All the latest models are available. Shipping is made in a short time. A grand sale is opening on each item. The payment options possess both a wallet and card process. The negative point of the website are Games USA outlet does not have a good index rank. The whose data is missing. Many skip pages have been recognized. Shipping fee details is not clear. Product have only one picture. So the question here arises, is the store legit? So check out some more detail about the store. It was created on 29th October 2021. The index seems to be not trustworthy as the premium tool has discovered its score is 2%. As far as its location is concerned, no location have been shared. The domain ID record details aren't seen as the whose data is missing. Non-clickable link isn't there on the site. No social media accounts. Reviews are only available on the Game US outlet stores. More than 60% of the text is copied. As we all know that customer reviews help us a lot to recognize the legitimacy of any online portal. As far as this site is concerned, this site has gained a number of reviews representing how good the site is in just 1 week, which is suspicious fact. Plus, there is no sign of its presence on social media, which is another strange fact. Again, we check out the customer reviews on weblogs and found no live remarks, but many blogs have been posted there. The website is not much credible. On Reddit, people have discussed its legitimacy. Most of them have mentioned that the site is not good to use. So in our final verdict, we can say that when we check out all the detail, we found this website obvious. It's not a trustworthy website because it has low index score, no social media accounts availability, no physical address. So it is not a trustworthy, rather it's a scam website. So we recommend you all to stay away from this website. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.